Alright, this is going to be a short video. This is my alternator off of my 2008 Dodge Avenger. I'm not going to make a video of this. The only reason I didn't make a video of it because there's already 2 very good videos out on this, on how to do this. So there's no sense in me doing it. I just wanted to show you all the gunk and the garbage. Would you say that that's worn out there? Man, that thing was getting so loud. You know, I normally always say, you know, if you have a noise like this and stuff like that, you know, I mean, and everything's working okay, just turn the radio up. But, you know, you can only turn the radio up so loud. But just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that was actually pretty neat. So we'll get that all set up and done. Get that put back in the car. Oh, here's another indicator. It's rust from the pull. So pretty neat. And I'll link the 2 videos that I found on this. I think they're the only 2, but oh, the other thing is if you look at their video, I think they both went like down here to disconnect the battery, the negative side. All I did was disconnect that. Turned my key on, nothing. You know, and I've got a cover. There's a cover for the alternator. See if I can get under here and show it. Maybe you could see it. No, well, yeah, a little bit you can see it. But this is a cover. I mean, all I did was take the nut off and slide it back into the plastic cover, and that ain't gonna freaking arc or nothing. So, kind of weird. That really, to disconnect my battery on my negative side, all I had to do was that. I didn't have to go down there. But, hey, cool. But everything's going good. Might have a little bit of an update on the MGB maybe, but stay tuned. Peace.